it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a small Dollar Tree haul and showing you things from a small Target haul. So before we get into this, I'm going to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So I'm going to start off with my favorite finds. They had these new wall arts. This one is the Farm Sweet Farm, and it has that rooster on it, and this is that clear wall art, and it has a piece of metal here that you could hang it from, and I thought this was so farmhouse, so cute for $1. They had a few different designs, and I picked up the Home Sweet Home with this adorable little house peeking through. And I picked up this feather one that's wild at heart. I thought this was so cute, and because I love purple and feathers. So those were the 3 wall arts that I picked up, and I think they had a couple of others. The next thing that I found that I was looking for were these photo frame card stands. These are adorable. These are so cute. They had them, I'm gonna open this one up. They had them in the black, the white, and the pretty farmhousey distressed blue type of color. This is how it looks. It's like a plastic here, and you could clip on with this clip, or you could take it out, DIY with it, but this is the stand, and I thought this was very cute. They had it in black, this white, and this light bluey, tealy color with the gold accents. I don't know if you can see it in the camera here. There's some gold. And I really liked this one, but they only had one. So I would have got more of this one to do something with, but beautiful. Another thing they had were these very cute solar lights. I thought this was cute in the cat. They also had it in a pumpkin and a skull. So I picked up these solar lights, and I can't wait to put these out. It is almost October. I also picked up these bouquets of flowers, these Halloween flowers. I think these are super cute. You see the little eyeballs in them. These are adorable roses. I just think they're cute. They also have, if you could see here, the spider, and I like these in purple and black. Moving along at Target in the dollar spot, I found this leaf here that I kind of wanted to use to jazz up my wreath for fall. So I thought this was cute, and this was $1. The other thing that I got at Target was this here. It says enter if you dare, and it comes with the stake in the back for your garden area or on your porch and a planter. And this sign here was $3, and they had a bunch of other types of signs there. So Target really was killing it with the Halloween decor, but some of their stuff was a little pricey. Because I love cats, I picked up this cat here. I thought this was so cute. They call it a candy dish. That's what the tag says. This was $3, and I thought this was well worth it. I also picked up this bouncy ball from Target. This was only $1. And then last but not least at Target, they had all sorts of LED light up pumpkins. Indoor, outdoor use is what the tag says, and they had them in black, in orange, and in white. They had them in smaller sizes, in larger sizes, and this one that I got here was $6, so I thought that was kind of a super great deal. This is the pumpkin, how it glows in the dark, and I thought that was super bright, great for $6. So yeah, it comes with a plug, and it's not battery operated. So you just have to be mindful of where you're gonna place it for your outdoor outlets if you're gonna use it outside like me. So that was it. So yeah guys, it was a small Dollar Tree haul and a small little show and tell from a Target haul. And I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing the new things that I found. If you did, please give this video a great big thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye. Cook some pizza.